any danger to the goddamn thing, man. You understand me? I'll go. Give my goddamn phone. I'm calling Boeing.
Okay.
Give my goddamn phone. I'm calling Boeing.
All right. You better fix it. Oh, don't act mad. You brought it here.
Shut your goddamn mouth for one goddamn time in your motherfucking life. What
I
do you...
don't have to. You brought the black cloud here.
Boeing is going to do it to me again. Motherfucker is going to do it to me again, Tina.
We don't care what they do to you.
I
We
do
love
care.
us.
Okay, I've got Boeing. You got to keep it on speakerphone so we can all hear.
Hello, this is Boeing's tech support. How may I help you?
Yes, this is Boeing, right?
Yes, sir, it is.
Listen, Boeing, I live in
Oh, yes, it is. What's going to turn your neighborhood basically into a snack bar?
What? I got your goddamn snap bar, bitch! You understand me? No, shut up! Let me tell you one thing, you bitch. Y'all ain't tearing my motherfucking homework. You done took my homework one goddamn time. I dare you to come. You bring your goddamn tractor to my house. I will burn your goddamn tractor down. I will blow your shit. You hear me, lady?
People, you cannot threaten to cause bodily harm to anybody.
Oh.
That is against the law, so we are having police dispatch.
Oh, please don't do that.
Okay, so in other words, I can't threaten you, and I can't say anything bad about your company. Is that what you're trying to tell me?
Absolutely.
Fuck you. Fuck Boeing.
Send me the cops.
I don't give a goddamn. Let the goddamn cops come.
I'm so sorry, man. Could you?
I ain't sorry, you bitch. I ain't sorry with the goddamn.
I'm heading
Yo,
out
baby,
now.
bring your legal ass here. Bring your legal ass to my house. Come on, bitch.
I don't want to go to jail.
I don't give a fuck. I'll go to jail. Fuck Boeing. Fuck you, Boeing. Fuck you, Boeing.
off,
Fuck you,
dude.
Boeing. Fuck you, Boeing.